Hi, this is Sarah. Definitely not the Google Translate voice because Sarah doesn't like the sound of her own voice. Okay, enjoy. What is the most common allergy? Oh, it's dairy. Well, that's annoying because almost every baking recipe is made up of 4 main ingredients: milk, flour, butter, and eggs. 2 of those are dairy, so to make a chocolate chip vanilla buns cake, we're gonna need to replace 2 of those: milk and butter, and not to mention the chocolate chips. So first things first is the milk, which the obvious choice to replace would be soy milk. But unfortunately, soy milk has less fat than regular milk. But it's okay because we can make up for the loss of fat with butter. Oh wait, no, we can't, because butter is also dairy. And once again, we've all heard of margarine, the commonly used butter alternative. But they also has significantly less fat than butter. So replacing milk and butter with soy milk and margarine will mean the dairy-free cake can have up to 75% less fat than the regular. But there is a solution: good old-fashioned oil. Oil has 10% more fat than butter, so it will also make up for the lack of fat in soy milk. The only problem is that the majority of oil is liquid, so it can't be whipped with sugar like the recipe says. But fear not, young lad, when there is a will, there is a way, and the way is coconut oil. Coconut oil comes in solid form but can be melted into liquid just like butter. And since it is oil, it has NWFATW to make up for what is being lost by using soy milk. Yay! Last but not least, we need some dairy-free chocolate chips, and once again there is an easy solution: Parve chocolate chips. Parve just means there's no dairy or meat in a product, so hop on over to your local grocery store and look for the word Parve on a package of Chalk MLST chips. It's that easy. Wow, I've learned so much. How about you? Blank. Wow, that's awesome. You should try these simple hacks the next time you want to make an lactose-intolerant inclusive dessert. Maybe you can also try another method, such as using water instead of soy milk, and see if coconut oil has enough fat to make up for both. Or if you have some time on your hands, maybe try boiling margarine to dissipate some of the water, which will bring up the fat percentage. Then stick your margarine back in the fridge to harden and see if that works to replace the butter. Thanks so much for watching this video. Have a great day and I'll see you next time.